Proper shoe care extends the life of your shoes and keeps them in great shape over a longer period of time. Follow these simple steps to assure your shoes remain in great condition. It's critical to start by clearing the shoe of any dirt and debris with warm water and a clean cloth. After wiping down and clearing away any blemishes or spots, wipe down any excess water with the clean side of the cloth. In this video, we'll focus on the speed polish method, which is a great way to keep your shoes looking their best without spending a lot of time cleaning. Speed polish is perfect for easy application, is highly suitable for travel, and ideal for the man on the move. Performing this step routinely allows your shoes to stay protected and always ready for wear. Apply the speed polish directly to the shoe in circular motions. A small amount goes a long way, so be sure to use sparingly as you apply this directly to the shoe. After the polish has been applied, use the horsehair shine brush. This brush will be used all over the leather upper to evenly distribute the polish and restore color back to the shoe. Rub the brush in quick movements across the leather in a gentle back and forth motion. For the final touch, apply heel dressing. This is the perfect, easy step for quick on-the-go touch-ups. Heel dressing helps to protect the heel and sole edge while also renewing the depth of color for an out-of-the-box look. For those with leather soles, the heel dressing can be used by applying to the leather sole and heel edge using the sponge tip applicator. Wipe off any excess heel dressing with a cloth before re-wearing your shoe. With the proper care and our complete line of shoe care products, your Allen Edmonds shoes will stay protected so they always look their best. Invest in your investment. Brought to you by Allen Edmonds.